Hey guys, I'm back with another toy review video, and today I am going to be reviewing this, which is the 12 Doctors Sonic Screwdriver. It came out a while ago. I've had it for like a few months. That's why it's not in its packaging. Don't accuse me. But yeah, this is it. Overall, I like the way it looks. It has the four sides and the one big middle. And then you come down to this silver ring, and below that is a gold ring, and then you have these two clamps on the side. Then you have the control switch, and then this blue back, and then you come down to this little silver or gold ring. Then you come down to this chamber. It's like a silver caged up chamber which connects to these two rings. Then you have this little like blocks thing. Then you come down to this blue spot with below that a gold ring, and then this flat silver thing. And over, wait, what? There's no legal blah blah blah. Yeah. Okay. So yeah. To pull down, you just pull down. It's a simple blue. You can see the 4 LEDs in it. Well, you can, but I can. Yeah. But some of you are like, where's the lower pitch? That's when you push up. Yeah, it has 2 different colors. And when you press down twice, you get like a time waiter effect. Then when you push up twice, it's like a fading, hacking green. 3 does nothing. 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3. Yeah, 1, 2, 3. But yeah, that overall, that's it. Nothing else. Yeah, that's it for this video. Subscribe, hit that like button. That really helps out. So if you want some more Doctor Who stuff, which I am gonna do because I have a bunch of other Sonics, I will do. Comment if you want me to do another one. Which one? So yeah, bye.